Meow. This show is not my type, meow. This is not the cat's type of show. You can't even hunt mice in a show. It's just so fake. I totally don't book a business unless you're a human, because cats like to hunt. And this is nothing that would interest me much. Plus, it's not showing any cats. They claim they're real cats and are not. They're a bunch of goofy wolves and goofy sheep and goats. As I'm a cat, I'm not none of those characters. Hey, here's my paw. I'll run away too. Look, watch me. Wait, meow. You wanna see me go outside? You wanna see me go outside? That was me too. I just jumped over. I am a cat, not an Arctic wolf. Duh, I ate mouse, meow. Meow. I can catch a mouse though, can't I? Or my name is not Sylvia the Silver Kitty Cat. My name is Silver the Cedar Sapling, Sylvia. Silver Cedar is the most fluffiest cat around. Cats do not chew on grass. Cats eat mice.
Well, Zach taught me how, so I'm really good at it. Butch was a good teacher.
I'm better at it because I'm Silver Cedar. I've been practicing. Yeah, I've been practicing all week. And now, my skills are even sharper than you think. Meow. Oh, yeah, I know what you're thinking. Well, I can do it too.
I've heard enough. What? I am so angry. That's unacceptable. Gabu, let's get him.
Let's what?
Let's get him. But even though I can't get him through the screen, I can try. Row. 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 Let me do it. Let me see about the show. Let me see it closely. Let's see. Meow. Meow. See me? You see me right there? I'm sniffing something out.
Had the most awesome dream.
No, not interested.
Well, that's cool too. But now what? I need to get them distracted, but it's not working. Look, a deer is flying in the sky.
Meow. I'm just sniffing things out.
It's a goat.
It's a Silver Cedar. Go get it. Go get it. Wait. How dare you tell me to get it? I'm not going to get that because I'm a cat. Cats eat fish and mice. Cats don't eat that type of stuff. That thing could probably trample on me. What a shame. What a big shame. Hey, are those wolves coming at me through the screen? They're not going to get me because I'll latch my claws into them and they'll wish they had it. Well, I'm not scared. I'll get those ugly wolves. Yeah. Oh, no. Meow.
You guys are fast.
You guys really are fast, meow.
I was trying to catch that goat. It's your fault.
You were?
You're the one who messed up. So, where's the goat? Huh?
Well, where is it? Well, I was never on you, mister.
Before you move. Quit complaining. Come on.
I'm sorry for complaining. I'm so sorry. Boo.
You boys have no idea.
You have no idea what I've been through to catch that mouse eater earlier. I think his name was Stuart Little. I caught a mouse earlier because I'm a cat. Meow. Wow. Oh my gosh, what is this? Let's turn my head side to side like an owl and like a cat and see.
Yeah.
Like a cat with googly eyes. What's so funny. Meh. No, I'm a cat. I don't go back. Meow, ow, 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 ow. Oh. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, wait, that's not part of the script. Meow. Oh my gosh, did I just do that? Meow! That is not me. How can I do that?
Are you sure that goat came here? Yeah.
I'm positive.
Smell it until we
Because I saw you on screen, without a shadow of a doubt. Without a shadow of a doubt. I saw it. I did. I saw it.